Charlie Smith. We built this car for my wife. She's wanted a 71 Chevelle for several years, so we found one. We found a VIN number pretty much and started restoring it. Her helping me, but done a frame off restoration, quarter panels, doors, fenders, hood, all new interior, all new full board, new trunk, new wheel wells. Took us 9 months to completely do it. Rebuilt the front end, put a new motor, new transmission, new windshield. The others is old glass, but turned out to be a pretty good car. She likes it and I like it, so I guess that's the main thing that counts anyway. Well, we started out with the engine that come in it that supposedly had been rebuilt and it lost oil pressure. So I ordered a blueprint engine from Summit, a 383 stroker. Installed it, installed the air conditioning and the billet pulley system. Geared a little too high, so pulled it out, pulled the rear end out, had a 273 in it. We wound up putting a 355 positive traction back in it. Then the Muncie 4-speed didn't have the speed I wanted on the interstate, so we bought a Tremec, put a 5-speed in it with an overdrive. Very pleased with that. Had a friend that worked at that does refrigeration work, had some stainless steel coffee pots, some stainless steel oven doors, made a little bit of custom stuff for it to hide some of the ugly parts. All in all, it turned out pretty thorough for a pretty rusty old Chevelle. That Tremec made a world of difference. I can ride down through the back roads and it not jerk so bad. Get out on the interstate and still keep up with traffic without turning a lot of RPMs. That part's nice. And it's pretty comfortable to ride in now. Got the gas mileage up to about 14 miles to the gallon, so now it's an economy car. I like coming down here to Salisbury to meet up with all the other guys that's got their cars fixed up. Enjoy some good times with them. Hopefully we'll get to maybe do a cruise with a crowd and go somewhere and get out and get around. But if you can, you know, come on down and join us, because there's a lot of cars down here now and getting to be more and more. It's nice to see what everybody's done and how they've done it. Gives you ideas on, you know, what you can do to yours to make it more user friendly, and it's just good fellowship. Yeah. I'm Charlie Smith with the Salisbury Downtown Cruisers. Just hope you'll come out and have a good time with us.